Thank you po sa maagang pa-birthday. Iya, aga naman na re. May pakik na agad. Paano ba ito buksan? Made special and delicious by Red Ribbon. Wow, chocolate roll. Thank you so much po. Aray ko. Maaga pa pero marami ng blessing. Talian ko muna at mamaya na lang. May soft drinks pa. Tapos may tinapay. Ano yan? Thank you.